Shailputri Mahapuja. Ma Shailputri is one of the most divine form of goddess Durga. She is one of the Navdurgas who is worshipped on the first day of Navratri festival. The name of Mata Shailputri is derived by joining two Sanskrit words. First, Sahil meaning mountain and Putri meaning daughter. The name Shailputri means the daughter of the mountain. Shailputri Ma is also addressed as Mata Sati Bhavani, Goddess Parvati and Ma Hemavati. She is also referred to as Pratham Shailputri. She is the first Devi of Navratri who is worshipped one of the first day this auspicious festival. Shailputri Navratri Pujan 2025 Mantra Om Shim Shim Shum Shailputre Namah. Story of Shailputri. The goddess Shailputri is one of the most prominent forms of goddess Durga. She was born as the daughter of the king of mountain Parvat Raj Himalaya. The name Shailputri actually implies the little girl means Putri of the mountain Shaila. Devi Shailputri is also known as Sati Bhavani, Parvati or Hemavati, the girl of Hemavat, the ruler of Himalayas. In the past birth, Ma Shailputri was the daughter of King Daksha. She was then named Sati. Once in the absence of King Daksha, his wife Prasuti got her daughter Sati married to Lord Krishna. Sati married to Lord Shiva. King Daksha did not approve of Lord Shiva and Sati marriage. He was angered and humiliated by this act, hence the King Daksha broke all ties with his daughter Sati. The thought of Sati being married to Lord Shiva haunted Daksha day and night, and his anger increased with each day. In order to humiliate and vent out his anger, Daksha organized a major yagna. He invited all the gods and goddesses. Even learned sages were invited, but he did not invite Lord Shiva and Sati to the yagna. Despite the separated to attend the yagna, and despite this, Sati wanted to attend the yagna and thought it was a good chance to renew it with her parents. She lived happily in the Himalayas with the Lord Shiva, but it had been a long time since she had met her parents. Ma Shailputri iconography. With a serene face and a pleasant aura, Shailputri Mata is portrayed sitting on a Nandi. She was a crescent moon on her forehead and is seen holding a trident in her right hand and a lotus flower in her left hand. Ruling planet. Ma Shailputri is also known as Pratham Shailputri or First Navratri Devi, and she is worshipped on the first day of Navratri, being the first Mata of Navratri. Shailputri Mata is worshipped with great devotion. Ma Shailputri rules the planet moon. Worshipping her with a pure heart is said to ward all the ill effects of moon. Ma Shailputri is associated with the chakra. This chakra is red in color from the yogi perspective. The first Navratri is believed to be an extremely promising day. This day symbolizes the beginning of the spiritual journey of an ardent devotee. Many devotees meditate, chants, mantras, and perform specific ritual in order to absence Ma Shailputri and to receive siddhis and others boons from her. Goddess Shailputri, being the Mooldhara Shakti, teaches individual life lesson. She does so by making as individual realize the power of Mooldhara Shakti by awakening her self-conscious. Mooldhara Chakra is the base of chakras where our anti-consciousness of blessing. Hence, many individuals, include sages and gurus, observe fasting on this day and channelize their complete attention on the Mudra Chakra to be one with this Shakti, to become aware of the higher self and to move upward gradually in the spiritual realm. This is truly a divine experience of searching the soul. Shailputri Mata is the goddess of root chakra, Mooldhara Chakra. When awake, she started her journey upward as Shakti towards Shiva, who resides in Crown Chakra, Shastra Chakra. One began their journey to spiritual awakening and their purpose in life. Without energy, the Mooldhara Chakra, one does not have the power and strength to face challenges in the life. So during the first day of Navratri Puja, yogis keep their mind and concentrate on Mooldhara. This is the starting point of their spiritual discipline. From the yogic point of view, the first Navratri confirmed to be a very auspicious day. Invoke goddess Durga in the form of Shailputri by chanting the Pratham Shailputri mantra. Om Devi Shailputraye Seva for 108 times. Also chant Vande Vanshe Lamabhya Chakradha Krishna Shekharam Vindospram Shokdasham Shailputrisam Yashvavisam, meaning I worship goddess Shailputri to fulfill my wishes, who is at noon with a half moon on her head, rides on a bull, carry a trident, is illustrious. Require the Durga Aarti and Shailputri Aarti. Perform the Panch Pochra Puja, which means performing the puja ceremony with the 5 items. In this puja, you first need a light, a ghee lamp. Now burn dhoop stick and offer in aromatic fumes to the Kailash, offer flowers, scent, and finally offer Navdhya to the Kailash. Navdhya is made of fruit and sweets. Benefit of Ma Shailputri Puja. Words of Malik of planet Moon offers peace, harmony, and overall happiness, keep diseases and negative energy away, strengths and the bond of love between a married couple, offer stability, success in the career of the month in Sanskrit. Om Aim Him Klim Shailputri Devaya Namah. माँ शैलपुत्री प्रार्थना वंदे वांशित्र भाया चंद्र घृत्य कृत शेख राम वंशा रूपां शैलधराम शैलपुत्रीम याशिविनिम। माँ शैलपुत्री स्तुति। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु माँ शैलपुत्री रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु माँ शैलपुत्री रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। श्रोत्रम प्रथम दुर्गा त्वामी भवसागरा तारिणम धन ऐश्वर्य दायिनी शैलपुत्री प्रणायाम तिलोजनी त्वहीं परमान प्रदीयमान सौभाग्य गौरम दायिनी शैलपुत्री प्रणाहम चरचेश्वरी त्वाहीं महुई विनाशिनी मुक्ति भुक्ति दायिनी शैलपुत्री प्रणायाम। ओमकारः मे शीरः पातु मूलधारम निवासिनी। अंत में माँ शैलपुत्री की आरती कर शैलपुत्री माँ बेल अवसार, कर दे देवता जय जयकार। शिव शंकर की प्रिय भवानी, तेरी महिमा किस न जानी। पार्वती तू उमा कहलावे, जो तुझे सुमरे सुख पावे। रिद्धि सिद्धि परवान करे तू, दया करे धनवान करे तू। सोमवार को शिव संग प्यारी, आरती जिसने तेरी उतारी। उसकी सगरी आस पूजा दो, सगरे दुख तकलीफ मिटा दो। घी का सुंदर दीप जला के, गौलागरी को भोग लगा के। श्रद्धा भाव से मंत्र जपाए, प्रेम सहित फल शीश झुकाए। जय 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 गिरिराज किशोरी अम्बे, शिव मुख चंद चकोरी अम्बे। मनोकामना पूरे कर दो, चमन सदा का सुख संपत्ति भर दो। बोलो साचे दरबार की जय, शेरा वाली माँ तेरी सदा ही जय। अंत में अपना ख्याल रखें, अपनों का ख्याल रखें। जय जय श्री राम।